An AI that forgets everything between sessions cannot improve. One that remembers can compound. Persistent memory turns isolated interactions into a system that gets better with every verified lesson. Most enterprise AI resets after every interaction. Context disappears, hard-won lessons evaporate, and the same mistakes return. A transcript archive is not enough, replaying raw history simply adds noise. Self-learning changes model weights through retraining or fine-tuning. Self-improvement is different. The model can stay fixed while the surrounding system accumulates verified knowledge, giving the same model a stronger starting point on every run. Useful memory follows a disciplined progression. Record a failure or notable event. Investigate the cause. Verify that finding into a reproducible fact. Distill the fact into a compact rule. Then consult that rule when a similar situation appears. Each stage filters signal from noise. Durable state is the record that survives across runs. It is read at the start of every task, so the system begins with prior learning, and written at the end, so new knowledge survives the session. Both hows are essential. Good memory is not the largest memory. It is the most trustworthy. Durable knowledge must be curated, deduplicated, checked for contradictions, and pruned when it becomes stale. Facts and rules are the passive layer. Reusable procedures are the active layer, proven methods for recurring work. Instead of reinventing the approach, the system retrieves a procedure, applies it, and improves it when outcomes reveal a better path. Memory cannot write itself unchecked. A mistaken rule repeated across future runs is worse than no rule at all. Findings must pass independent verification before promotion into facts or rules. Separation between actor and checker keeps compounding knowledge from becoming compounding error. Volek engineers this as an operating capability on Google Cloud: secure durable state, governed retrieval, reusable procedures, independent verification, and observable execution. The weights do not need to change. The system improves because it remembers, verifies, and reuses. If your AI initiatives reset after every interaction, Volek can help you build systems that remember, compound, and improve safely.